Hi guys, Canva Bestie here. Today I share how I created the skincare flyer design using Canva. So now if you're a beginner, this is particularly important for you because the steps are very easy and you can create this flyer under 10 to 15 minutes or even less. So let's get to it. So I have this image already from this background. So all I did here was to remove the background for this image and use it to design. So alternatively, if you cannot get the same image that I used this design, for this design, you can come on Canva under elements and search for black girl skincare. And you're going to get a variety of black women skincare photos that will come out extremely beautiful for your design. So I mean, Canva has a lot of options for that. You can see this one. I use this for a design. I also use this, and it came out really beautiful. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be making use of this image here. So you can use whichever image that works for you. So next, we are going to start by uh we have a new page. Can add a new page. Can add a new page. Color to white. All right. So what I will do now is that I will go and copy the image that I had already. That's this image of this lady here, and paste on my new page. So like I said, you can use whichever image that sits well with you and remove the background using Canva. This BG remover option here, it removes your background automatically. Yes. So this is the image that we have. So the color code I used for this design, the color code I used here was the color code I used was FFDEB9. So the first thing I did was to add the image of the lady that I wanted and impute my color code, which is FFDEB9. So this is what I have. So next I'm going to go under elements and search for white blur, just like this. White blur. I'm going to pick the first option that is given to me here. So this is white blur. Next I'm going to do is to expand this white blur here. Just expand it a little bit. Yes. Expand and take it behind the lady. So I want this white blur to be behind this photo here. I do not want it to be inside. So we are gradually moving the white blur behind the lady. Yes, so yes, we've achieved what we want here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my text. And my text is rich skin, healthy glow, and that's okay. So I'm going to change the font to Sarah Match. So this is the font I used. I'm sorry, Safira Match. This is the name of the font that I used. come under your alignments and give it a left alignment. Go under your spacing. Now if your spacing is okay for you, you can leave that, but I do not, this spacing is not okay, so I'm just going to increase the line spacing just like this. Increase the size. Left for you, you can adjust the design to your taste. So I'm going to change the font color from black to a dark brown. This is what I want to use. The color code for this is 5B091B. So this is it. You can just easily copy the color code from here and input in your own design, right? So the next thing I want to do is to go under elements and search for dark brown gradients. Dark brown gradients. Canva is going to give me a variety of dark brown gradients. And so I'm just going to come here and choose the one that suits my taste. So let's try this first one. Okay, bring it down. Now, I do not like the fact that this dark brown has, a kind of different color from our design. So I'm just going to come here and change, the color. I'll just like come here and change the color from this brown color to whichever color here that suits my taste, whichever color that gives me what I'm looking for. And I think this one is okay. Okay, all right, so this is good. So I think this is just it. This is just it. So if you have your logo, you want to, impute into the design, that's very fine. Already I have my logo that I want to add into this design. So what I'm going to do is to, go under my uploads and pick the logo that I am looking for. Well, since I have the logo in one of these designs already, all I'm going to do is just copy it from there and paste. Now, if you don't have a logo, that's fine. The design is still very okay. So I'm just gonna come here and paste, and my logo has been included. So next I'm going to come here and create another little text, which is www.skincaredoctor.com. So I'm gonna drag my text like down here. Yes. I'll change the color to this color we use for the background, and change the font to Safira Match again. Then I reduce the size and then drag it back to this place. So yes, we have our design here. You can choose to reduce the size however you want to, whichever would suit your taste. I mean, it's your design, right? So we use www.skincaredoctor.com because the name of the brand is Skin Doctor. So sorry, Skin Doctor, not Skincare Doctor. So let's change that. Skin Doctor. So we are good to go. So this right here is our design. Yes, this is our design. We've gotten our design. So if you want to watch or learn how to create simple Canva design flyers just like this one, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you're going to learn so much on Canva on this channel. See you on our next episode, guys. Bye.